Ever wondered what happens to those dazzling neon signs when they finally burn out? The ones that bathe our streets in a vibrant glow, painting the night with electric hues? Do they simply fade into oblivion? Or is there a more colorful story behind their demise? Neon signs. Iconic. Nostalgic. They've been illuminating our cities for over a century, their vibrant glow a testament to the ingenuity of early electrical engineers. But like all things, even the most dazzling displays eventually succumb to time and wear and tear. So, what happens when these luminous beacons finally flicker and die? The answer, it turns out, is surprisingly multifaceted. Let's break it down. The inevitable decline. Neon signs, despite their robust appearance, are delicate creatures. The thin glass tubes that contain the neon gas are susceptible to damage. Vibrations, temperature fluctuations, and even accidental impacts can cause cracks or punctures. Over time, the electrodes that ionize the gas can erode, weakening the current and dimming the glow. And of course, the gases themselves, while inert, can gradually escape through microscopic leaks, diminishing the sign's brilliance. The recycling revolution. Thankfully, the demise of a neon sign doesn't always mean its end. Many neon sign shops specialize in repair and restoration. Skilled artisans can carefully mend broken tubes, replace faulty electrodes, and even reintroduce the lost neon gas. This process, while time-consuming and labor-intensive, breathes new life into these vintage marvels. The art of reclamation. But what happens to signs that are beyond repair? Enter the world of neon art and reclamation. Creative minds repurpose discarded neon tubes, transforming them into unique sculptures, installations, and even jewelry. The vibrant colors and intricate shapes of these discarded elements lend themselves perfectly to contemporary art forms. The environmental angle. It's crucial to remember that neon signs contain valuable resources. The glass tubes themselves can be recycled and repurposed. The neon gas, while inert, can be recovered and reused in new signs. Responsible disposal and recycling practices are essential to minimize the environmental impact of these iconic fixtures. The legacy lives on. Even in their diminished state, neon signs continue to cast a long shadow. They serve as a reminder of a bygone era, a time when craftsmanship and artistry were paramount. Their influence can be seen in contemporary design, from the vibrant hues of digital signage to the sleek lines of modern lighting fixtures. So, the next time you encounter a flickering neon sign, take a moment to appreciate the intricate craftsmanship that went into its creation. And remember, even in death, these luminous beacons continue to inspire and illuminate our world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.